Hello everyone, welcome to Homely class. Today we will learn the Homely Ultimate Kit, a new weapon for share traders. My name is Jeff. Today the main content is first one, origin of the Homely Ultimate Kit. Second, Homely Ultimate composition. Third, profit of the price fluctuation. For the Homely Ultimate, how it forms when we made it. First, day trading is becoming more and more necessary as the market is getting weaker and weaker. Second, the Homely Ultimate case comes into being in order to meet the needs of the majority of intraday traders. Combination of the Homely Ultimate case. So the Homely Ultimate case forms with three different indicators. First one is the trend expert. It's meant for the direction and the turning point. Second is the deviation expert. It's used for bottom and top confirmation. The last one is multicolor dragon. It can follow the banker. It's a banker following sharp weapon. So before we can use that better, first we need to discuss the order of the share investment. Before you can trade in share market, first you need to filter, then confirm is the valid bottom or top, then buy point. Later you need to judge the direction, whether it is in bull market or bear market, to make a decision whether you need to hold it or you need to sell it. The last one is the sell point. So for the deviation is very simple, just the two colors. The green columns means the money outflow, the red color means the money inflow. So you can refer to the DE to make a judgment whether the money is net inflow or net outflow. Just now what I mentioned is you need to confirm whether the bottom is valid or invalid. What's the meaning of valid and invalid? Before you can buy, you must make sure your accuracy is high, or you will fail, you will not get the profit. So before we can get profit, you must make sure it's a valid bottom. So what's the meaning of a valid bottom? Most of the valid bottom is we call it the bottom deviation. There must be a bottom deviation phenomenon. So what's the meaning of a bottom deviation? I use the 0104 for an example. During the downtrend, you can see at the end of downtrend, or there are two stages for the downtrend. First stage is a fast downtrend, and the second stage is a slow downtrend. During the slow downtrend, you need to check whether the money inflow or the D, whether the D still hit neutral or not hit neutral anymore. From this chart, you can see at the end of the bottom or in the slow downtrend, the money inflow already, and when the price still hit neutral, but the deviation expert not hit neutral anymore, forms a small double bottom. Just at this moment, when you see the second time when the column turns to green, you need to check whether there's a buy point or not, or later the buy point should be the valid buy point, and more probably you will get money. Up there you can use the MCD to verify whether this uptrend can continue or not. And after you get a profit, the next problem is whether you need to take it or you need to hold it. When we should hold it, when we should not hold it. And the top, what's the meaning of the top? After you see there is a top deviation phenomenon, you cannot hold it for long term. Once you see the column turn to be green, you need to check if the T also tell you to sell, is a valid sell point, and here should be the end of the uptrend. For example, you can check with the 0104. Okay, like here, when you see the second time the column turn to be right, then you just add the TE. At the same time you see the T also tend to be right, so here should be the buy point. After you get a profit already, when you see the column may tend to be green, especially before the sell point appears. There's a top deviation. What's the meaning of top deviation? It means when the price still go up, but you can see the deviation iceberg not hit a new high anymore. So because such phenomenon as the top deviation, after you confirm the second time when the B right column turn to green, and then later you can check with the TE. If TE also tend to be green, then you need to sell it. Here should be the valid sell point.